Hey, what's up everyone? It's your name. And welcome back to the channel where we uncover the best tips and tricks to achieve financial freedom. Whether you're trying to pay off debt, save for a down payment, or just want some extra spending money, making money online can be a great option. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 10 easiest ways to make money online in 2024. So, if you're ready to ditch that 9-to-5 or just add another stream of income, stick around. The first way to cash in online is by freelancing. Now, freelancing is perfect if you have a marketable skill you can offer businesses or individuals remotely. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have made it incredibly easy to connect with potential clients all over the world. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, virtual assistant, web developer, or anything in between, there's a market for your skills. Seriously, whatever you're good at, someone out there probably needs it. When you're first starting out on these platforms, it's crucial to build a strong profile. Highlight your skills, experience, and even showcase some of your best work. Don't be afraid to start with competitive pricing to land those first few gigs and get some positive reviews on your profile. Positive reviews are like gold because they build trust and credibility with potential clients. Remember, communication is key in freelancing. Be responsive to messages, set realistic deadlines, and always deliver high-quality work. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, you can start increasing your rates and attracting higher-paying clients. And here's a pro tip: niche down. Don't try to be a jack of all trades. Instead, focus on a specific niche within your field. The more value you provide and the better you treat your clients, the more successful you'll be. All right. Let's be real, you're not going to get rich taking online surveys. But if you're looking for a super easy way to make some extra cash in your free time, this could be it. Websites and apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research will actually pay you for your opinions. Basically, these companies are conducting market research for big brands, and they need your feedback. They want to know what you think about certain products, services, or even just your general opinions on various topics. Each survey you complete earns you points or a small cash reward, which you can then redeem for gift cards or cash out via PayPal. Now, the key here is to sign up for multiple survey platforms. This way, you'll have a steady stream of surveys to choose from and maximize your earning potential. Not every survey will be a good fit, so having options is important. And hey, who knows, you might even get to share your thoughts on some pretty interesting topics. Next up, we have affiliate marketing, and this one has the potential to generate some serious passive income. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on any sales you generate through your unique referral link. Think of it like being an influencer, but instead of promoting clothes or makeup, you're promoting anything and everything under the sun. Now, the key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic and only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in and that you think would be valuable to your audience. Nobody likes a pushy salesperson, so focus on providing value and honest recommendations. You can share them on your social media, create blog posts or videos reviewing products, or even run paid ads. Always disclose to your audience that you may earn a commission if they make a purchase through your link. Chapter 4. Selling on Etsy. Unleash your inner entrepreneur. Have you always dreamed of starting your own business? Well, Etsy might just be the perfect platform for you. Etsy is an online marketplace specifically designed for handmade and vintage items, as well as craft supplies. If you're a creative person, this is your chance to shine. Whether you're into jewelry making, knitting, painting, digital art, or anything in between, there's an audience for your creations on Etsy. When setting up your Etsy shop, it's crucial to invest time in high-quality product photos and write clear and compelling descriptions. And don't underestimate the power of good customer service. Responding to inquiries promptly and going the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction can go a long way in building a loyal customer base. Chapter 5. Blogging. Share your passion, earn passive income. If you're passionate about a particular topic and love to write, starting a blog could be a great way to make money online. While it does take time and effort to build a successful blog, the potential for passive income is huge. The first step is to choose a niche for your blog. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Once you've identified your niche, you can start creating high-quality content that provides value to your readers. Monetizing your blog takes a few different forms. One popular method is through display advertising. As your blog traffic grows, you can apply to ad networks like Google AdSense and display ads on your website. Another way to monetize your blog is through affiliate marketing, which we talked about earlier. Chapter 6. YouTube lights, camera, income. Okay, we've all heard of people making a killing on YouTube, right? But here's the thing. It's not just about becoming the next big viral sensation. YouTube offers a fantastic opportunity to create content, build an audience, and generate a significant income. The key is to find your niche, just like with blogging. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Once you've identified your niche, you can start creating high-quality videos that provide value to your viewers. Now, the beauty of YouTube is that you don't need fancy equipment or years of filmmaking experience to get started. Your smartphone camera is more than enough to create engaging content. You can enable ads on your videos, partner with brands for sponsorships, or even promote your own products or services. Chapter 7. Are you a bit of a whiz in a particular subject? Maybe you aced math in school, or perhaps you have a knack for languages. Whatever your area of expertise, online tutoring could be a rewarding and lucrative way to make money online. Platforms like VIPKid, TutorMe, and Chegg Tutors connect you with students of all ages who are looking for extra help in various subjects. You can set your own hours, work from anywhere with an internet connection, and earn a decent hourly rate. Chapter 8. Dropshipping. Start an e-commerce business without inventory. Ever dreamed of starting your own online store but dreaded the thought of managing inventory and shipping logistics? Well, that's where dropshipping comes in. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without actually holding any inventory. Here's how it works. You create an online store and partner with a dropshipping supplier. When a customer places an order on your store, the order is automatically forwarded to the supplier, who then handles the packaging and shipping directly to the customer. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and even Etsy make it easier than ever to set up your own dropshipping store. Chapter 9. Stock photography. Turn your photos into passive income. Calling all photography enthusiasts. Did you know you can actually make money from your stunning photos? Stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock Photo offer a platform for photographers of all levels to sell their images. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love capturing beautiful moments, there's a market for your photos online. Businesses, bloggers, and even graphic designers are constantly on the lookout for high-quality images to use in their marketing materials, websites, and creative projects. The key to success with stock photography is to upload a diverse portfolio of high-quality images that cater to a wide range of needs. Every time someone downloads one of your photos, you earn a royalty payment. Chapter 10. Virtual Assistant. Become the ultimate online sidekick. In today's digital age, more and more businesses and entrepreneurs are seeking the help of virtual assistants to manage their day-to-day tasks and streamline their operations. As a virtual assistant, you can provide a wide range of services remotely, from administrative tasks to social media management, customer support, and more. The beauty of being a virtual assistant is the flexibility it offers. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn can be great places to find virtual assistant gigs. And there you have it, 10 proven ways to make money online in 2024. Remember, the best way to find success online is to choose a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and lifestyle. The online world is your oyster. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these opportunities today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you in the next one.